Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Transform everyday cleaning with this sleek, versatile stick vacuum that delivers upright performance lithium-ion battery power. It's the only stick vacuum with Hoover WindTunnel Technology and cyclonic filtration. Now you can clean up without ever having to search for an outlet. The features of Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Cordless and bagless stick vacuum cleaner with WindTunnel Technology. Interchangeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery for fade-free power, auto-height adjustment. Motorized power brush turns off with a flip of a switch for bare floor cleaning, 11-inch wide nozzle. Edge cleaning bristles, low-profile base, battery fuel gauge, and Energy Star battery charger included. Measures approximately 11 by 8 by 42 inches, 2-year limited vacuum warranty, 2-year limited battery, charger warranty.